Bow, 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 bow.
Yeah.
Where you was? Yeah, spin around. You a stripper? Yeah.
Email bomber.
Oh,
I bomb. And I got a better one. Let
yo,
me know if you want me to bomb you.
yo,
Yo,
what up? Why you was standing before?
because I was doing something on my phone.
So you was giving another nigga a ass check,
What?
huh?
Somebody asked me for a 360.
So why? I want a 360.
Hmm?
360. I want one too. Yeah. Nah. You gotta make my shit more explicit though.
Yeah.
Fuck them other niggas. I want my shit explicit. Let's do it again. Yeah. Now bend over.
Cups of the rose.
My bad. I can get your Instagram though.
I can get your Instagram though.
You want mine? Baggers won't do that. I miss you. I was touching. I was fuck. Yo,
Yo.
yeah, man.
Hmm?
You black?
You say, am I black?
Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. You the type I like.
What the fuck kind of question was that?
How old you is?
I'm 19.
You still in school?
Nope.
Be a part of my collection.
Yo, collection is crazy.
What's wrong with that?
Give me your roster.
No, my collection.
What's your collection?
Why you gotta be intrigued with all that? Just say yeah or no.
I gotta see what I'm getting myself into.
Oh, say less.
What's your Instagram? Man, I had to screenshot that.
The fuck is you
Yo.
looking at? Huh?
Huh?
The fuck is you looking at?
It's a screen with a person sitting down.
Alright, stop looking over here. Look somewhere else. You rolling your eyes at me?
Huh?
You rolling your eyes?
No.
Your eyes need some act right.
You're funny.
You need them glasses to see?
Yeah.
Let me nut on 'em.
Huh?
Let me nut on 'em.
No.
What? What's up?
You're wild.
You ain't fucking with it? I'm tight shit. I can get your Instagram though.
No.
Why? I'ma be cool. I ain't gonna be on no
How old are
bullshit.
you?
Oh, I'm 18. How old you is?
15.
I made one mistake when I got horny and it changed my life.
God damn, you thick. How old you is?
19.
Go on and stand back where you was. Yeah, spin around. You ever had your ass ate?
You say what?
You ever had your ass ate? What?
Hey? Hello?
Huh?
Hello?
You was talking to me?
Duh.
Oh, what up?
How you doing?
I'm alright. What you doing?
You sound cute. Why you got that as your fucking...
Fuck is you calling me cute for?
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me.
Hey, you with the fro? Yeah, you look like my cousin. I wanna fuck you. What up?
Oh my god.
Did you really fuck your cousin?
She pulled me to the side and said, baby, that's your cousin. I ain't about to stop.
Yo. Bring your big... Why you got that shit on?
I can. The fuck I'm grown.
You a stripper? Yeah. Bow. 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 Ooh, that little motherfucker back there. Let me get your Instagram.
DHAD.
Why you can't just type it in?
I don't feel like doing all that.
Alright, come on, say it again.
DHAD.
Yeah, keep going.
YAL. B.
B. Alright, that's all I want, yeah. I'm gonna go beat my dick to that though. Alright, I love you. Can't hear me right now.
Yeah, I can hear you now, but you sound like you was emotional.
I'm trying to figure out you got a pussy or not.
Yes, I got a pussy.
Oh, you do got a pussy. Why you on this bitch freaked out like that?
Because,
You bored?
yeah, and some of these niggas need some attention.
Yeah, I feel you. Go ahead and go back in that position though. Yeah, that motherfucker move like Jello. Bow, 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 yeah. Yeah, I need your Instagram though.
Hold on, I'm gonna send it to you.
Hurry up. Not too far.
Mm-hmm.
You got your close friends?
Yeah, I got me a question.
I think I'm gonna need to be up in there. You be popping that ass.
Baby, that's not free. Both friends not family.
That ain't free. How much you making niggas pay for it?
I'm making anybody that want to see it pay for it.
And how much?
$5.
$5?
Yeah, it depends on what you want to see.
Alright. Man, ain't
If
shit.
you want to see this moving with no pants, that's $5. If you want to see pussy, that's $10. If you want to see titties, that's $5.
Alright, so look, what if I want to see it with no pants on, right?
And that's $5, baby.
But I don't want to see it from that angle though. I want that pussy in the ass in
Well, baby, this
facing that wall.
that's for 10, baby.
That's for 10?
Mm-hmm.
That ain't nothing, yeah. I'm gonna hit you up on that IG.
Okay, baby. Let me send you my cash out.
Alright. You crazy as fuck. Oh, crazy. She crazy.
I don't know what you heard about me, but a bitch can't get a dollar out of me.
Yo.
That's hard as fuck.
Yo.
Who drew that? Yo.
Me. I drew it.
That's hard.
You like it?
Hell yeah.
I like you too. What's your name?
Shanti.
How old you is?
I'm 18.
Go ahead, let me get that Instagram.
I'm weak. I got you. Let me drop it in your box.
Bet.
You want to be added in my close friends or?
You said, what about a close friend?
My close friends where it's lit at.
Add me to it.
I bet.
Like, for real, though.
You gonna be looking at my close friend story and then go see none but ass.
Oh, yeah, I'm fucking with
You gonna be like, damn. You gonna see my cousins, me.
So you going crazy like that?
Duh, my cousins be sending twerk videos and all. They ass be wanting to be getting posted in my close friend.
Add me to that shit right now.
Alright, go at me.
Bet. I added her.
You know what I'm saying? Simple as that.
Fuck you looking at, bitch?
I'm stuck on this roof. It's burning and shit. It's smoke in my eyes. It's smoke in his eyes. Yes, there's smoke in my eyes. Jig, what the fuck is this? IDK, let me get back to this shit. Hey, jumping off the roof with this one, jumping off the roof.